All right, guys, we're back at the Aldi dumpster. I had fun taking it with me yesterday, so I figured I would give it a try again today. It is the evening of December 26th for me, so it's been about 30 hours since we were last here. Today is Monday night, and Monday nights are usually a time that I do come check this dumpster. Typically, trash comes Tuesday morning for this location, but yesterday it was not very full at all. So let's see what we can see today. Okay, so it looks like somebody might have been here, because they were obviously ripping open the bag. But lots of bananas, of course. Oh, okay. We'll take some cereal. That's fun. Take some bread. Oh, my cheese. Oh, guys, I might have just lost that. Gotta be better than that. I see some lemonade down here. Chocolate almond milk. All right, I'm gonna need to make a little box. Stay tuned. All right, we're on the other side. I was able to get the cheese back. I have my grabber. I wish this was easier to move, especially with one hand while filming. Okay. No, that feels empty. I think I will grab a bunch of bananas. I might just check one more time with both my hands, but that's probably it for here. All right, I was going to stop at this CVS. I haven't stopped here in a while, but it hasn't been that long. I used to live very near to here, so I came quite a bit, but I'm not sure if you can see, but it looks like it's been locked, so we've officially lost this dumpster. All right, so I am home. I just thought it would be kind of fun and interesting to show you guys the things that you can find within just one day in the same dumpster. I also took a quick stop to Gordon's again. I didn't film that because somebody walked by just as I was pulling in, and I just kind of wanted to go quick and quietly and without having the worry of filming. So I filmed at the Aldi dumpster though, and like I said, I just went yesterday and found all the other stuff that I showed you. And I do still believe that somebody was there before me today. So I think they probably got a lot of good stuff as well. And I was still left with all of this, which is great for me. And, you know, it's just interesting to see the waste that these stores produce, which I know a lot of people kind of mentioned in my video yesterday. And I wanted to touch real quick on the pizza thing, how I only took some of the pizzas and I didn't take all of them to donate. The pantries around me don't take food that has passed its expiration date or past its best by date, which those pizzas are. I do not care about those things. They do, which I understand. And oh my goodness. The people who utilize food pantries are worthy of, you know, food that's in date, food that is good, food that they can trust, and that they know where it's coming from. I personally am happy and love dumpster diving and enjoy eating the things I find from the dumpster. However, many people are not comfortable with that. Most people, I would say, it's just not something that they are comfortable doing. And people who utilize food pantries are worthy of being able to eat food that they are comfortable with. You know what I mean? So, like, yes, I am comfortable with food that comes from the dumpster, but maybe they aren't, and they deserve to be given food that they know is safe. I don't know. That's just how I feel. I'm more comfortable donating non-perishables like snacks and canned goods and stuff like that that come from the dumpster, but the perishable things like the pizza that was in there and cheese and meats and stuff like that, I just won't donate that to food pantries. And they won't take it if it's past date, which most of the stuff I find is. Anyways, let me show you what I found. I have this one jar of hot sauce. No idea why this was thrown out. Brand new. Great. This was stuck to the bottom of the dumpster I found there at the end. As you can see, it's a little gross on the box. However, the bag inside is sealed, and it is apple cinnamon quick bread and, muffin mix. So that'll be super tasty. We have a box of Fruit Rounds cereal. Again, a little beat up, but nothing wrong with that. A thing of strawberry lemonade. I don't know, looks pretty good. I only took one bunch of bananas. I just cannot keep up with the bananas that get thrown away. I do have a freezer full of bananas, not a whole freezer, but I have, a Tupperware full of frozen bananas in my freezer as well, and still some fresh ones on my counter, so I just took one bunch. I took a loaf of wheat bread. It's like the skinny kind, I guess. This tiny thing of Hatch cheese, which is cheddar cheese rubbed with Hatch chilies. So, I don't know, maybe a little bit spicy. I'm excited about that. And then the last thing from the Aldi today is this carton of chocolate almond milk, which I do love. I don't know. Sometimes these don't have to be refrigerated until they're opened. That would be very convenient for me, but I'm not sure. I'll have to check. It probably needs to be refrigerated. And then from Gordon's, I found this thing of orange juice, which is $11, which is outrageous, and a carton of pineapples. So I think I'm going to, before I post this video tomorrow morning, I'm going to make breakfast with some of the things I have found recently. And it's not even going to be anything odd or crazy. It's going to be a great, normal, delicious breakfast with things that I have found from the dumpster. So I just wanted to bring you guys along on this video with me again. I've enjoyed sharing things with you, and, I do try to save as much as I can from the dumpster, as do many people on YouTube that I have seen as well. I just can't save it all. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I will be back soon with more dumpster diving, house, cooking, fun, cat, all sorts of videos. So thank you guys. Next morning, and I'm just sitting down to have some breakfast. And this is all free and all very filling. So I just have 2 slices of bacon that I found, 2 eggs with some of the smoked Gouda cheese on top, a little bit of pineapple, some fresh squeezed orange juice, and then a Chobani Flips key lime crumble, which I'm excited to try. All of this came from Gordon Food Service dumpster, except for the eggs are from Aldi. I was going to put together a smoothie with like the bananas, the pineapple, the collard greens, some juice and everything, but I just didn't feel like dirtying up the blender. So orange juice it is, but this is breakfast, and it's free, and it's going to be delicious. So again, thank you guys. I really do appreciate all of you. I read all of your comments, and I'm very thankful for all of you. So bye, guys.